So, Kavin, how did your placement journey begin?
Like I started my placement preparation in my final year only. I applied for Zoho once and got rejected in third round.
How important was quantitative aptitude in your journey?
Attitude was one of the most important thing that I'm lacking.
So, can you walk us through what was the hiring process, what all challenges you faced from Zoho interview, which actually tested your skills?
They asked me to develop a Minesweeper game.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of PrepInsta Prime podcast, where we bring inspiring stories from students who have cracked top placements and internships with the help of our platform. I am Akshita Jadhav, your community manager at PrepInsta Prime by Adda 24/7, and today we have a very special guest with us, Kavin Narayanan, a final year student who has recently cracked the internship at Zoho, one of the most reputed product-based companies. So, hi Kevin, welcome to podcast. We are very excited to have you here.
Thank you so much, Akshita, for having me here. I'm so excited to share about my journey with you all.
So, Kavin, let's start from the beginning. Tell me about yourself, your college, which branch you're from.
So, hi everyone. I'm Kavin Narayanan from Tirupur, Tamil Nadu. So, I currently interning at Zoho Corporation. I completed my bachelor's in electronics and communication engineering in Government College of Engineering, Bargur.
So, Kavin, how did your placement journey begin?
To tell about my placement journey, it's not in a traditional way. Like I started my placement preparation in my final year only. So before that, I don't even have awareness about what DSA or lead code means. So that's actually very difficult for me to preparation in a short time of period. So I started to doing projects, certification and the internships, and also searching for in developing my soft skills, etc. I don't have much time, but I have to do, so I started preparing.
So, Kevin, how was your preparation journey began?
So before my preparation journey starts, I applied for Zoho once and got rejected in third round. So after that, I started to prepare what is needed to get prepared for getting into Zoho. So I prepared something and I got into rejected the final round. So I know something I'm missing. When I'm speaking with my friend who is from a top tier college, and he's already doing many projects and he's solving many problems in data structures and algorithm. So I asked about him. He suggested a platform called PrepInsta. So I just go and research about it. There are many sections, like many mock testers. So I think that will be helpful for me. And there is also section company wise preparation. So I just tried the PrepInsta Prime subscription. So in that I actually solved the top 50 codes section. So that helped me a lot getting strong in basics. So that helped me a lot. So this third time I got an internship opportunity.
So, Kevin, as you told, you learned aptitude from PrepInsta. I want to know how important was quantitative aptitude in your journey?
So in Zoho's first round, they will always conduct aptitude. There will be 10 to 15 questions. So aptitude was one of the most important thing that I'm lacking. So I need to improve. But since I'm from remote college, there is no placement training. So I had to prepare myself. So when I walk through PrepInsta, there is topic by topic, how to solve it. And there are many tips and tricks, how to solve quickly, like that. So I finished the topic by topic because I'm not a person who can remember formulas. So that helped me a lot through PrepInsta.
How much time you used to give on a daily basis for aptitude?
I just take 2 days continuously, fully for aptitude, before the aptitude round for the Zoho. So I didn't practice daily 1 hour like that. I just practiced 2 days fully for aptitude before the aptitude round.
Okay, got it. So, Kevin, I have heard that Zoho is known for rigorous and hiring process. So, can you walk us through what was the hiring process, what all challenges you faced?
So, usually Zoho conduct 5 rounds for software developer position as a fresher. First round is aptitude and C programming. There will be 10 to 15 questions of each sections. And there is second round called basic programming. There will be 5 to 7 problems. And there is third round called advanced programming. There is 1 or 2 advanced programming section.
Okay.
After that, there will be a technical interview. That will be 1 or 2 depending on the team hiring.
Okay.
So next one is a managerial HR round. That is also optional depending upon the team.
What all challenges did you face in this?
My biggest challenge is one is aptitude. So and another one is technical round.
Okay.
For aptitude, I like solve one by one, and one of the trick that helped me a lot is visualize the question. So I would just visualize the question, and that gave me answer very easily compared to just applying the formulas that we remembered. So that helped me a lot. And then technical interview, since I'm from ECE background, I'm lacking CS core subjects. So that is one of the difficult section for me.
Okay, so Kevin, I'm curious to know that you being a EC background student, how did you learn coding and how did coding interest you?
Okay, my aim is to be a software developer in 10th standard itself.
Okay.
So I take a computer science group in 11th and 12th. So
Okay.
I learned C++ in 11th itself. After that, like I misguided like that if I take ECE, I can go both for IT department and also for IoT like that departments.
Okay.
So, but that's not the case. Because I have to study individually for CS core subjects.
Yeah.
But still, my interest is always on the software development side.
Okay.
So I learned C++ on 11th standard. So that helped me till now.
Okay. So who misguided you?
Friends and relatives.
Okay, I get it. So Kevin, can you share me one situation from Zoho interview which actually tested your skills?
Okay, in technical interview, which is one third attempt, so they asked me to develop a Minesweeper game logic. So I don't know what is Minesweeper game itself. So I asked the manager itself, and he explained the game, and I had to build the logic for that game on the spot itself. They give me 5 or 10 minutes. So I'm so nervous, but anyway, I managed to solve that.
Nice. That's so brilliant of you that you solved in minutes. So Kevin, what was the most challenging part in Zoho's interview process?
So for me, it's aptitude, as I said before. So aptitude is one of most hated by me. But anyways, that's essential, especially for a service-based company like TCS and Cognizant. Aptitude is for 80%. So aptitude is very necessary one. So I had to learn that. So I used PrepInsta mock testers for revising like that.
Why do you hate aptitude, Kevin?
Like I'm not the person like study person. So my CGPA.
Not being a study person, you cracked the interview?
Yeah, but like usually Zoho didn't hire study person. They hire the person who are willing to learn anything, not just study, and apply the skills in real world application. But also like they need the logical thinking and problem solving as well as technical skills.
Okay.
So I don't know, but I hate aptitude because like I don't like math.
Okay, got it. I would love to know, how did our community help you in this journey?
My friend suggested me to solve DSA questions.
Okay.
So I just started in the lead code platform, but I can't able to solve any of the questions in that. So I know I'm lacking in the basics itself. So I tried PrepInsta top 50 code sections. So in that there will be very basic programming questions from basic math and basic array like that. So I solved one by one. So after that I can able to solve at least some of the problems in lead code. So that was the foundation for me. At the time I'm a free user only, but even though I'm a free user, I have received the mentorship by PrepInsta. So one person mentored me, I've asked how to prepare for TCS because I have that like only 10 days to go. So I just asked how to prepare in this 10 days. So she gave me like lots of resources and how to use effectively this 10 days to get shortlisted. So I prepared for TCS also. So I attended that. Results are not published, but I think I'll make it.
So basically, how many companies did you apply?
Actually, in my college, there is no placements. So maybe one or few companies will come, and mostly they are for my core department, which is embedded or IoT side. But I'm not interested in that. So I just applied through everything off campus. When I follow Instagram page of PrepInsta, there will be many companies link. Zoho is my dream company, but I don't know on the stage I can make it or not. So I applied for TCS, Cognizant, and etc. I appeared this TCS NQT last month.
Okay.
So after that only I got placed in Zoho.
And what about Cognizant?
I attended Cognizant, but their required skill is like I don't have the required skills on the time. Like they are requiring like SQL, Python, and also Kotlin also. So I don't know about that. So I think okay, we can make it. So I didn't attend it.
Okay. How many languages do you know?
I am proficient in C++ and C, but do have basic proficiency in Python and Java.
Okay, so basically Zoho was looking for person who were good at Python and Java.
No, Zoho usually looks for a person who good at anything. So you can come. I'm good at C++ only, but for there the language is not a problem. So they are hiring a software developer who has a good proficiency in any one of the languages. So either you can proficient in Java or either you can proficient in C++ or C#, anything.
Okay, that's amazing, Kavin. I am so happy for you that you got your dream job.
Thank you.
So, Kevin, every journey has its ups and downs. Were there any moment where you had self-doubt or low confidence? How did you stay motivated?
Actually, I unmotivated all the time until I get selected. So still I'm not that motivated, or I have self-doubt. I may deserve this, like that and all. Because in my second attempt, I finally able to come until the final round. But after the rejection, it hits me a lot. I'm kind of overthinking person. So, but what motivates me is I don't have any other options. So even though I'm not motivated, I have to do this anyways. If even I like this or not, I have to do this. So I again I applied for this company and finally got this opportunity.
I think most of our students would relate to your problem because everybody self-doubt. Even sometimes I also self-doubt, but then we don't have an option. And practice makes man perfect. So we have to practice, and that's when you will be confident, right? So Kevin, according to you, preparing solo is better or doing a group study is better?
I believe preparing solo is way more better than preparing group studies, because each individual has their own approaching ways to study or to learn something. For me, it's about more practical than theoretically learning. Yes, I believe that preparing solo is better, but also sometimes we can collaborate for mock interviews, or like we can assess each other selves in the group studies. So
okay, right. So looking back now, is there anything you wanted to change in your preparation or any changes you wanted to do?
So I always regret, like if I start in my second year or third year instead of my final year, I think it would be very better, and I will be very confident, like I easily crack these companies, better product these companies itself. I'll always regret, like why did you start so late, like that.
Okay, so you feel like you should have started early from your first year, second year.
I don't have the awareness of I have to study this and this in my first year or second year. I'm just enjoying my college life in that time.
Okay, but that's not bad, right? I mean, you have to study also, you have to enjoy college life also. So Kevin, you were speaking about a project that you have developed, right? Game development. Okay, can you tell more about it? How did it play an important role, or did it play any role in your interview?
Actually it plays a major role in my third attempt of technical interview, because this is my one of the personal projects. Since I'm from EC background, and my college has one rule, like I have to do projects in my core department only, even though I had no interest in that.
Okay.
So I done only IoT projects for my college as academic projects. So I had to do personal projects to get placed in my interested software companies.
Okay.
So I started with game development. So since I'm a gamer, I always eager to develop a game. So
Okay.
I developed a 2D platformer game, which is similar to Super Mario, which is a nostalgic game that I like played in my 5 or 6 age that time. So I developed in the Unity engine using C#. So in my final interview, like manager have, like I can prove that I have passion towards software development. So I genuinely applied my skills in real world application like game development.
So your manager would be really impressed
Yeah.
by this.
Yeah.
What did he say?
Like he actually played that game in my technical interview. He asked me, can we play the demo? He asked that. Yes. So I just played it, and he also played it. He liked it very much. Since in the UI, I added many Easter eggs. Like I added my favorite BGMs and Captain America's shield. That like I just loved it when I developing. So that helped me a lot.
Although I'm not a gaming person, but the way you are describing about your game development, I would definitely like to see it.
Yeah.
So Kevin, we hear this a lot that communication skills matter. So from your experience, what do you say? Does it really matter?
Yeah, I believe communication is a must soft skill that everyone should have. Not only for software developers, for any role nowadays, communication skill is way more important. Especially talking about Zoho, they actually expects a lot about communication skill, but they do not just expect just English communication skill. They just want us to deliver what we think. We have to articulate our thoughts and convert into words clearly. Even though that's Tamil or is it English, that's not a problem. But we have to clearly communicate our thoughts.
Right.
So communication is matters, and also to improve that, everybody say practice is the main key for communication. But for me, I don't know whom to practice. Like it's really weird to talk with friends because city like Bangalore, maybe it just be normalized to speak in English. But coming from a remote side, so it's actually so weird to speak in English with our friends. So I just speak English with ChatGPT. So
oh, nice.
in that we have voice chat mode.
Yeah.
So I just on that and I just started to communicate it, and also ask ChatGPT to correct my mistakes if there are any. But initially we should not focus on grammatical errors because we just have to speak what we think. So I think nobody will notice our grammatical mistake while speaking. I think ChatGPT is a good partner to practice English.
So what was the importance of CGPA in the process?
I believe like top MNC like Zoho doesn't see our CGPA because mine is 7.76. It's not that great, but actually they didn't even see my CGPA in my resume. So
Okay.
I believe that is not important. We just have to pass, and if we have the technical skills and communication skills are enough.
Okay. And what about the other companies, TCS and Cognizant, which you applied?
They also, I think, top MNC doesn't like look upon history of arrears or anything, because I have 2 history of arrears. So they doesn't look upon this. So I think that doesn't matter.
So Kevin, what advice would you like to give it to students who are preparing for placements or internship, especially to those who are targeting product-based companies like Zoho?
Preparing effectively is more important. So it's not about what you prepare. It's about how you prepare. So I know many of the friends are preparing data structures and algorithm, but they are preparing for 3 months. If they look up on the topic after 2 months, they will eventually forget that. So I believe that preparing effectively is more important than quantity. So quality over quantity is more important.
Kevin, before we move forward, we have got some questions from your juniors. So please help them with your answers.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
So the first question we have got it from Ramya. Why do we keep getting rejected despite having good technical skills and project experience?
So Ramya, if you are watching this, actually soft skills are also important as much as technical skills and your resume. So I think that is a gap which many students lack nowadays. So soft skill is way more important as technical skills. We have to improve our communication, like problem solving, logical building. These are the essential skills that many product-based company actually looking for a fresher.
Definitely.
It's not about what you prepare, it's about how you prepare. Once I'm become the prime membership of PrepInsta, in a video actually a mentor mentored me like you have to prepare effectively. So that actually helps me a lot. So that from that onwards I'm currently developing on my current skills also.
So Kevin, our second question is from Suraj. He is asking, what exactly are companies looking for in freshers during technical and HR interviews?
In technical interviews, the HR expect the candidates to thorough on their resume, especially on the project section and internship experience section. They are like assessing that we really learned in practical way or we just know in like only in theoretical.
Yeah.
So they matters more on the practical things such as projects and certifications and also internship. Also for many of the candidates I seen focusing on a particular stack like MERN stack or something full stack development or app development only. But if you are a fresher and the company hires, even though if I'm proficient in MERN stack, the company doesn't assure they will put on that stream. So they will hire a software developer who good in problem solving and logical thinking, and they can train and they can change into particular stack.
Okay.
So focusing on particular stack is not preferable. So many of the students my friends also focusing on a particular stack and they said, okay, I'm a full stack developer. But who knows, the company can put into a cyber security team or any other team. So as a fresher, you have to be more in problem solving and logical thinking and also basic data structures and algorithm. So it's very important for a fresher compared to full stack technical subjects.
So our next question is from Samrita. What are the most valuable things to focus in the last few months before graduation to become job ready?
In last few months, I think resume building and LinkedIn profile handling. So these are more important. Also, in the same time, you have to build a portfolio website and showcase the projects and you can show your presence on the internet. So it will create a additional value if you put in your resume.
Okay, and mainly the communication part when you were speaking.
Yeah.
The first impression with the HR is the last impression.
Yeah.
So it's important.
You have to start your introduction in very confident
way, in such a way where the HR is impressed basically.
Yeah.
Kevin, that was really amazing. The path you chose, the method you used was really incredible. So Kevin, on behalf of entire PrepInsta team, we wish you all the very best for your journey at Zoho and everything ahead.
Thank you so much, Akshata. I'm really grateful to PrepInsta team.
So if Kevin can do it, so can you. It's not about where you start, it's about taking the right steps. Dreaming of that dream job or internship? Start your journey today. Let's make it happen. So we will be coming with a lot of such episodes. So make sure you follow us on Instagram and LinkedIn and subscribe us on YouTube.